See, this is a very sacred duty of every Indian citizen. We are celebrating our democracy by voting, by choosing whom we think is the best person to govern our country. This is not a local election. This is a national election where we have to vote for somebody who is capable of running the country, doing well for its citizen, and carrying the country to a position which is pivotal among the committee of nations, that India stands somewhere. Today we are the fifth largest economy, which shows our country is growing from strength to strength. Once you have your finances right, as we are the fastest growing economy, I think that this augurs very well for all the citizens. So people have to think rightly, and in the most awaited election, because this election basically is going to set what is going to happen in the next few decades. This is a very important election that way. So citizens have to think properly who can build a country that strong. And I think people know the answer. As you know, you will guess whom I have voted also. I belong to the Bharatiya Janata Party. And I have pride in saying that the leader of our party at the national level is not only a national leader, he is a world leader. Whole world recognizes him. And you will see the results on June 4th when they come, when counting actually takes place. Not only he would have swept the country, here in Goa, we are also sweeping in both the seats. There is no question of just winning by small margin. I am getting reports since morning how enthusiastically our voters have come to the booth to vote.
And he has made some allegations that money is being distributed in Dabolim at different locations, and he's saying that police escort and election commission is also being used. How do you look at it, sir?
I simply want to say one thing. On the contrary, person who speaks, his people have been caught red-handed. Number one. Number two, what to speak of people who speak against the constitution. That constitution was banged on our head. आमचे माथ्यार थापले म्हूण जे उलयता ते मनशाचेर आनी उलोवपाचें आसा. कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन आमचे थापले आनी सय्यद अली गिलानी पुरायत कॉन्फरन्स काश्मीरात तसो उलयता हांव भारतीय घटना जी आसा हांव पण रेकग्नायजूच करना. आय डोंट रेकग्नायज इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन तो मूर्ती. सो गिलानी जालो गोंयचो. अशें जालें न्हू.
सर तो म्हणटा की दाबोलीन आपूण लीड घेवन दाखयतलो आनी आय विल शो
Let's wait. Have patience, man. Wait for 4th June. You will see what thumping majority we are winning now, and what a awful defeat he will have. You wait and see. No, wait till June 4th. तोंडान उलयलें मू जायना. हे फक्त उलोवपा आनी केन्ना म्हणजे कितें घडना तेंय उलोवपा तांकां संवय आहा. तेजे कितलेशे व्हिडिओ भायर सरला. तुमी पयला आसतले ते व्हिडिओ कितें दाखयता ते BJPन एक टायमा येवपाक सोदताले. MGPनूय वचपाक तयार आसले. आतां कितें म्हणणें आहा, डॉक्टर्ड व्हिडिओ म्हणटा. कित्याक डॉक्टर्ड व्हिडिओ म्हणटा रे? तुमचे जाले पोळी बाजून जाली. डॉक्टर्ड व्हिडिओ ते फॉरेन्सीक एक्सपर्टां धाडल्यार सारके मेळटले तेंचोच आवाज म्हूण. आनी केन्नासून गुगल ट्रान्सलेट करपाक लागली फ्रॉम कोंकणी टू फ्रॉम कोंकणी टू दीस आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजन्स कोंकणी टू ते इंग्लीश ट्रान्सलेशन केन्ना जावपाक लागलें? अजून जावं ना. बडी तेणें ते स्पेशल ॲप आसतलें ते कडेन.
सर तुम्ही सद्याक BJPचे एकदम सिनियर लीडर आहा, मिनिस्टर आहा. यू हॅव बीन अक्रॉस डिफरंट लोकेशन्स, कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी, प्रचार बिचार सगळें केला. As of now, sir, how do you look at elections? What is kind of your prediction, and what do you feel about the election as of now?
I have moved not only in my Dabolim constituency, I have also moved in the rest of South Goa. I have been traveling in the night to meet people, opinion makers. I am very confident that we are winning by a very handsome margin in the south. As I said earlier, more than 50,000 votes is the margin anticipated. North, I have many friends. I am an organizational person. We are winning by nothing less than almost a lakh of votes. Okay. Now coming here in Dabolim, I have I think never there was so much of enthusiasm in a parliamentary election, because I moved around. I normally move only for my assembly election, And don't forget that I have won in this constituency 7 times. Having won 7-time winner or 7-time MLA, I know the pulse of the people. I'm telling you, we are getting a clean sweep even in Dabolim. There is no doubt about that.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.